My name is Esther and this is my story. I was born in a religious family and I knew about Jesus, but it wasn't a relationship. That means I knew a lot of information about him, but I didn't know him for myself. But I still had this desire to know about this person I worshipped. So I would go to church, I would do things. I thought I had to do works to get his approval and favor, and that way I would know him. I felt I had to be pure and righteous so that I could come before a God, and I thought that purity could come by the works I did. But I felt it didn't give me any satisfaction whatsoever. I felt like God had rejected me, and also being an introverted by nature, I didn't have too many friends. So I felt so rejected, and there was this sort of insecurity in me, like I could never do stuff, I could never reach my dreams. I didn't have a good sense of identity. I didn't have a sense of belonging, and I longed for that. And this caused in me a sense of rebellion, where I rebelled against any sort of authority. And also I had this feeling of wanting to be loved and accepted. Around the time when I really had lost interest in life, a friend of mine who had quite a powerful testimony himself told me about how he came to Christ. And for me, it was like something I already knew. I had tried it before. But the way he spoke about Christ was like he knew him. So he invited me for a youth group meeting. And I went for it, and during worship, I seen everybody close their eyes and meditate on God, and I had never done that before. But I thought, okay, let me just close my eyes and try to experience this thing that everyone seems to be experiencing. So I closed my eyes, and I don't feel anything in the beginning. But slowly I began to feel a presence in the room that I had never felt before. And I almost, in my inner eye, I could see the face of Jesus before me. And I felt him asking me, do you want to go the way of the world, or do you want to follow me? And I felt that was the point where I had to make a choice, which way I would go. And either decision was going to change my life forever. And I decided that I was going to follow Christ. But I still had that sense of insecurity, like I wasn't loved. And one day at church, during the worship, they were singing the song about the love of God. Tears just rolled down my eyes, and I said, God, you've done so much for me. You gave up your life for me. You came down on this earth for me. What can I do in return to repay you for this? And I just felt this small voice inside me saying, I just want you. And that horrified me, because I thought, God, why do you want me? I mean, I'm so messed up and so many things wrong with me. Why would you want me in exchange for this beautiful gift that you're giving me? And slowly, from a religion, it turned into a relationship. I started to, take classes and do music seriously. And right now, I'm a music teacher. But I am so glad that God could take someone who was so broken and who had no hope in life, and who felt so useless, and who felt no dream could possibly be achieved, to become someone who actually achieved the dream only with the strength and grace of God. There's one verse in the Bible that really spoke to me a lot, and that is the verse that love casts out all fear. For me, I lived a life of so much of fear, of the approval of people, of achieving stuff in life. But when I came to Christ, all that fear was gone. It was like, His love would help me move on, and there was no fear left anymore. My name is Esther, and I will be a light.